wants to run around the aisle and have fun. But what we're going to do, we're going to try and get the service done as quickly as possible. There's a full meal. They want to show us up that they can cook better stuff for us. We're going to get that done first. And the seatbelt sign is still on, as you can feel as we're hopping around a little bit. And after that, we'll I just hope you guys can help me out and get the meal service done before we start hopping around. Is that cool?
Sure.
Yes. I didn't hear anybody.
Yes.
Thank you.
One thing I really miss is my Continental in the 1990s had the airplane button.
Go fast. That's for your own comfort and safety, just in case we should encounter any unexpected bump here along the way. Looks like we'll be on the ground in Houston right on schedule. Should touch down at 7:30 and head into barbecue about 10 minutes after that. Here's some update on the weather. Partly cloudy skies there, like good visibility. Temperature like 6 degrees and calm, so it's a great day. So have a barbecue in South Central Texas. It's good to have you with us. I invite you to sit back, relax, I'll be back with you later on to keep you updated on our flight. As always, you can keep track of our progress by
And they're bringing more drinks, so this definitely is a party plane. There's drinks here, drinks there, drinks there. Everyone has a drink. It's really cool. It's a beautiful place. United 787 Dreamliner flight from San Francisco to Houston Intercontinental.
Hey!
Oh no, you should see the one from Seattle to Houston.
Yeah, I'm talking.
They were just throwing bottles. I was like, here, catch this. They're throwing vodka bottles. And it was crazy. And they were walking around with the clear case. With what? The clear case with all the alcohol in it. The clear case. And they'll just hand it to you. They were walking around with the bar in their hand.
You know what they should do? They should attach like a strap to it. It's like the old club with cigarette trays.
Yeah.
Just walk around
like a candy striper.
Here I am on United coach on the 17th Dreamliner. See the food lighting is really starting to show up now. It's getting dark outside. Here's the cabin. There's people everywhere. Let's see. And the way my 3 shots of toasted poop is that class. That's kind of weird here.
Other things that I find I've not seen anybody.
How much?
This is our flight here.
It depends on the trip. I haven't seen very much. How pretty the lady is.